Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start our new poem, It Can Be Done. Okay, it can be done. This is the unit number 3. Okay, unit number 3. The first poem is It Can Be Done. See, I'll recite the poem first. So listen carefully. The man who misses all the fun is he who says it can be done. In Solomon pride, he stands aloof and greets each venture with reproof. Had he the power, he did efface the history of the human race. We did have no radio or motor cars, no streets lit by electric stars, no telegraph, nor telephone. We did linger in the age of stone. The world would sleep if things were run by men who say it cannot be done. By men who says it cannot be done. See, it can be done. This is the name of the poem. The poem, It Can Be Done, it generalizes that a person who lacks of confidence, and motto is the type of a person who remains stagnant in the life and naturally unsuccessful. Lack of confidence, yes. For everything you should, having the confidence. But the man who lacks of confidence, and the motto is the type of person who remains stagnant in life and naturally unsuccessful. The poem explains that without hard work and sheer determination, man's life wouldn't be as developed as it is now. Yes, for everything we need hard work. If you want to achieve good marks in your examination, you have to study hard. So for everything, we have to do hard work. Okay, confidence is important. But for achieving our goal, for achieving whatever you want, whatever you have decided, you have to work hard for it. Then you are successful, whatever you want, whatever you achieve in life. For that, because for that you have done hard work. Okay, here the man who is having the lack of confidence, and so he remains stagnant and unsuccessful in life. That's why confidence is very important. Understood? What the poem explained? The poem explained that without hard work and sheer determination, man's life wouldn't be as developed as it is now. Yes, as we are living now, whatever our lifestyle, whatever we are doing, so it is because of the hard work done by a particular person, okay, in his or her life. Now, again, the poet is saying that the things that we set our mind to complete can most definitely be done. The man who misses all the fun wears an expression of Solomon pride. Solomon pride means looking very serious, grand, and very important. Okay. The man who misses all the fun wears an expression of solemn pride, remains very aloof, and harsh with citizens any kind of new venture. Okay. Now, if he had the power, if the man is having power, he would happily erase all the developments made by man. And also the history of human race. If he is having power, he can erase all the development made by man and also the history of human race. We would then have no radio, no motor cars, no street lights, no telegram, no telephones, because it is it is the hard work by man. Whatever the things we are using, these are the man-made things. Okay, the particular person worked very hard for that invention, for whatever he is doing. So there is no motor, there is no telephone, there is no street lights on the road, everything is we would still be living in the Stone Age. The poet says that the world would sleep if things were run by such men who had a negative approach to life, saying it cannot be done. Some people is having negative approach towards life, so it cannot be done, it cannot be done like this, okay? So the poet says that the world would sleep if things were run by such a man. अगर ऐसे लोग होते तो ऐसे लोगों के हाथ से अगर पूरा सिस्टम चलता था, so the world became very sleepy. The world would sleep if things were run by such men. We had a negative approach that approach to life, saying it cannot be done. ये नहीं होगा, it cannot be done. ये नहीं हो सकता. Okay, like this. So many people are having that negative approach. Okay, so here this is the poem. It cannot be done. So fern, done, aloof, reproof. These are all the rhyming words. So you know how to write rhyming word. Fern, done, aloof, reproof, efface, raise, car, star, telephone, stone, run, done. So all these are the rhyming words. Okay, see the pictures are there in the poem. See this picture. All the things are mentioned here in this picture. So this is the poem. It can be done. The man who misses all the fun is who says it cannot be done. जो मिस करता है फन वो बोलता है कि it cannot be done. In Solomon Pide he stand aloof and greets his venture if had the power he did efface the history of the human race. We have no radio or no motor cars or no streets by electric cars, no telegraph, no telephone. Here, no telegraph or telephone. We did linger in the age of stone. The world would sleep if things were run by men who says it cannot be done. Okay. So this is about the poem. It cannot be done. Now some words are there. We will see this meaning of these words. In Solomon Pride, here it means looking very serious, grand and important. Looking very serious, grand and important. Aloof. Aloof means separately without getting involved in anything. That's it. That is aloof. Without getting involved in anything. Venture. Venture means adventure or dangerous risk of task. Venture means a dangerous risk of task. Reproof means criticism, negative comments. That is the reproof. Okay. Reproof means criticism or making negative comments. Efface means wipe out or remove. Efface means wipe out or remove. That is the efface. Now, some small questions are there. We will discuss it first. Here, you have to write down the rhyming words also. First, I'll tell you. Fun, done, aloof, reproof, efface, race, cars, stars, telephone, stone, run, done. These are the rhyming words of the poem. Okay, so this is about the poem. It cannot be, it can be done. It can be done. So you have to recite this poem, then sort out the rhyming words of this poem. Okay. First you have to recite. First, you have to recite the poem. Okay? Recite the poem. Then sort out the rhyming words. And as I have told you, the some words and their meaning. For example, in Solomon Pride means looking very serious. Aloof means separately without getting involved in anything. Venture means adventures, a dangerous risk or task. Reproof means criticism or negative comments. And efface means wipe out or remove. Efface means wipe out or remove. So these are the meanings of the hard words given. Okay. So what is your homework? Recite the poem and start out the rhyming words. Okay. We'll stop here. Bye.